our pie was the chocolate cream pie, and it had Cool Whip in the middle layering it, and then it had Biscoff on the top, and it had whipped cream and bananas.
Sounds delicious. What do you think were the judges' first opinion on it?
I mean, they all kind of just like tasted it and walked away. So, I mean, I guess they liked it, but it wasn't like something like spectacular.
So this was our pumpkin pie. It was a more alternative recipe. Instead of cooking it to more solidly, decided to go with a more creamy approach to really coat the flavors in your mouth. This way, you can feel the flavors a bit more. And what flavors? Or we added cinnamon and pumpkin spice, like extra cinnamon and pumpkin spice, so you feel that kick.
That sounds delicious.
And we wash it down with apple cider to, it's just a nice sweet refresher, and it also complements the flavors really well. So yeah, it's our pie.
What do you think are the judges' first impression?
I feel like I'm at a disadvantage, honestly, because pumpkin pie isn't the most popular thing. So let's say Mr. Lamaro, he's never really had it, nor does he like apple cider. But the other judges, I think I have a pretty good shot at win here.
Good luck.
Thank you.
We added Biscoff and bananas to kind of Hershey chocolate. I think the first thing you noticed was that it was like a lot of banana. That was like maybe a flaw. But I think maybe our uniqueness and our presentation might help us win.
Hello, my name is Aldrin, and I'm the leader of the algebra group's chocolate pie competition, Crust Crew. And basically, we won the pie competition because our pie was really amazing, and we won 43 points out of 45, which is the highest out of everyone's. And we had a lot of stresses when we were doing this, and I'd like to share. Ella would like to share,
We'd like to share. Okay, so when they were scoring our pie, we thought that we were gonna lose because our chocolate pie tasted a lot like bananas instead of chocolate, and the judges looked really disappointed, so we thought we were gonna lose.
We faced a lot of challenges, like a lot of bananas and everything. But yeah.
I'm just like really glad that we were able to win with all the bananas.
That was really overstimulating because I thought we were gonna lose because it tasted too much like bananas, and I don't even like bananas.
Halfway through the pie competition, or like towards the end, I knew I wasn't gonna lose because I saw Mia Benitez, one of the judges. She took a spoon of pie, and as she was going to throw away the pie, she licked her spoon clean. So that like kind of signaled to me that she probably won.
Would you say banana is your secret ingredient?
Probably, actually.
We put banana in everything.
Yeah.
Like banana pie.
We put it in the pudding and the wood.
And then after he asked another group for extra bananas to put us.
Crisscross crust crew.
Yay!
Julianna Dail, a senior at the Academy of Holy Angels, came to talk to science students about her organization, Trees for Equity. Trees for Equity aims to improve the environment of urban areas by increasing tree canopy. Julianna spoke to students about how areas that lack tree coverage suffer from different issues, such as environmental, health, social, economic, and infrastructure. At the end, students got to test what they've learned and play a Jeopardy game.
Issues, financial inequities, and flooding for residents. Because if a region is super hot, you're gonna have to pay more for air conditioning. So this is a list of activities that we participate in. As I mentioned, we do participate in tree planting, so taking a very tangible approach and actually planting trees in these cities. We also have a tree request application form on our website, so you can click through the links and then request a tree to be planted in your area. And that's done by some different organizations, such as the New Jersey Tree Foundation, which is more trees, less in urban heat.
Get a little specific.
Water from your leaves, which in turn like cools down the area.
That was excellent. For the evaporation.
Evapotranspiration is the word for what